Hello, this is Adrian. How can I help you today? Well, good morning, Mr. Glass. It's wonderful to speak with you. Well, let me just get that real quick. This is brand new, by the way. We just put this out. We're kind of unhappy with it because we didn't have any products that we wanted to have listed. The Miles Design and Construction Products and Services brochure. Well, I'm happy that you got it. Yes. We do offer a new wood product. Thank you for asking. Is there some specific information you need for it? Okay. This product that we have now is relatively new on the American market. It was originally invented and structured for European and East. Right, for London. You're right. You did hear some things about it, right? The reason why they did that was because the cost of construction had gone up exponentially, specifically with the concrete, mortar, and cement applications that they had. The cost was just getting too much, and they couldn't afford to build the buildings that they wanted to get done. Yes, you're right. Yes. They did do some of that in the Western Pacific. You're right. Very good. Very, very good. Yes. Japan was really specifically interested in this then. They have always been trying to find building materials that will sustain the heavy typhoons that they receive. Also, they also have a problem with their earthquakes. Oh, you're building in Los Angeles. Okay. Well, this would be a perfect application for you. Well, right. They did extensive testing on this material. That's correct. The International Building Council finally approved the use of this material in multi-story applications. Would that work for you? Okay. Well, let's stop for 1 second and let's see what you're actually going to be doing here with this product. Condominium. Oh, multi-unit condominium. Okay. Okay, so the structural engineer is concerned about using anything other than steel and concrete. Okay, well, I can send you some spec sheets. Right. Well, it is California. Yes, they are pro-green. Right. Okay, well, let's start with that then. Okay. Right now, there are 2 manufacturing facilities in the United States that deal exclusively with producing cross-laminated timber. The first company started in 2012. They were a very small facility, but they received a number of grants for them to use wood products on U.S. forestry land. They had grants for specific wood lots with the promise that the wood that they did harvest was going to be replanted right away. Yes, right. Well, the material is brought into the plant. It's cut in 1/8 inch veneer, then it's kiln dried. Then the sheets of veneer are put out in the plant. There's glue processed in between. And there's a layer of vertical wood, then there's a layer of horizontal wood laid on top of each other, and they're pressed together until they're dry. Well, the sheets are in the warehouse. The products are so popular now on the Western market, especially now, more so in New York and Boston area. So we really can't keep them in products in stock. Right. Right. Okay, so what happens is this. You and I will sit down, let's say we discuss plans on whatever you need. You bring in your building specs, your floor plans. We sit down and discuss how many board feet you're going to need. Then we discuss the design. Once we determine how much that is, then we discuss the pricing. But that's a little bit farther down the line. Your concern was what now? Well, considering that it is a natural wood, there's no processing of the material. What happens is natural fibers tend to be less expensive than the production of mortars and cements and steel. In fact, the cost is 50% less than that would be of the traditional building materials. No, it doesn't replace steel. It doesn't replace concrete. It can if that's a building application you want. It actually works very, very well alongside both steel, mortar, and cement. Here's the added benefit. If you use this application on outside walls and then redirect your wiring and plumbing to inside walls, if there's any need in the future of replacing one of the boards can be taken down easily. There's no added cost for reconstruction, no mess, no time lost, and then the board can be replaced. Right. Now, look at this and see. Okay. We work within your time frame. The turnaround time is phenomenal. From start to finish, from harvest to production of the veneers, it's 2-week turnaround time. Right. Right. Does that sound like something you'd be interested in? I'm as excited as you were. Okay, before we go any further, let me just go over what we discussed already and make sure we're both on the same page. Right. When you are interested in a sustainable material, we both discussed that. You're looking for something that's cost effective, we discussed that. Something that does not increase labor cost. Okay. Yes, and it can be worked on. Yes, you're right. It can be used alongside traditional building materials, yes. Yes, and it's 50% less in expense than it would be with the non-natural fibers. Correct. And don't forget, it's soundproof. Right. And it is natural insulation, yes. Well, of course I can. I'll send you a catalog out with not only the cross-laminated timber and its different applications, but I'll also send you out a catalog that references the other sustainable material that we have available here in our facility. And if you need any design, right, I'm here. I'm a licensed, I'm a licensed interior designer. I'm also one who's licensed to be National Kitchen and Bath. So if you need anything, any type of help with design issues, I'm also here available for that as well. Yes, now the catalog's going to go out in the mail today, like I said. Oh, okay. Wonderful. When would you like to set up the meeting? Well, I can either go and meet you at your facility or you can come here. Okay, I'll meet you at your facility. Along with this catalog, I'm going to send you a video of the process of cross-laminated timber, and then you'll be more informed than I am by the time I meet you. Okay, give me a call when you can. Talk to you later. Bye.